Stop sprinting at me. I don't want 762. Oh, yes. You know what I need with that rope? I can go back to that guy I killed, make a backpack, and then upgrade it with these sticks. Now I have a better backpack. Look at that. More space. So happy. I love it. Oh, why didn't I bandage myself? Oh, there's another bandit. Oh my gosh, wait, are they setting up camp? Oh, poor dude. Can't deal with all these. Well, your stuff is my stuff, fella. Hippity hoppity or loop is now my property, kiddo. Oh. I nearly stood corrected. Yoink. And run. Speaking of which, where is his fire? I can just rest by it.
Jimmy, is there any more leftovers? Is there any more pizza?
I don't know. You can ask someone else about it. I don't know if there's any more pizza. I'll go check later. Okay. It's a bag. The problem is I don't need another bag, do I? No, that's not food. Oh, that's an orange. Whoa, he dashed at me. He's inside. Scary. Oh, God. Oh, you suck. Haha. Haha, you suck. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Okay. We have a lamp. We don't need a lamp. More sacks. We don't need sacks either. Thank you for the offer, game, but we do not need more sacks. We do not need more Pepsi either. We just need food. We need to find enough food to get us to the boat on the other side of the map. But instead, all I find is soda. Look, I've got 3 cans of soda on me right now. And there's definitely going to be more to come. No, no, no. I'm hoping to find some berries to help get me there. Because I'm going to be scanning along the coastline before it gets dark. Or I'll try to at least. Because I didn't know there was anyone there. Hey, sir, do you need help? No? Okay, I'll just murder you then. That's much better. I swear, if you start screeching. Oh, rice. Rice is nice. Pickaxe. Let's go. That pickaxe is a lot stronger. Which is very good for me. No. Dying? Oh, hi. How you doing? See, that's what I was worried about. Didn't want it to get rainy and cold like this. Quit having a tantrum. No, I said stop having a tantrum. Look what you did. Murder more people. We're just gonna hide ourselves in the locker room and leave this out. No. Now I'm just gonna scan along for a while since I won't get cold. So we'll just grab some food real quick and continue our journey to find a boat. And when we find the boat, that won't just be it. We'll have to find the wood for it too, and then we can repair it and leave. And then we can get to the next island which has better stuff. Because this island kind of sucks. You want to kind of get off of here as soon as possible. That's what I've learned. You want to get out of here. That's the way to go. That's the way. Oh, the heat pack. That's good. We can use a heat pack. How much time have we been recording this? 13? Okay, I just can't have that too long. Berries! Yay! Cranberries! Who wants cranberries? I have cranberries. Apple? Dang, I've done a lot more food lately. 4. Let's eat that. Have a little bit of this apple. Didn't help a whole lot. But hey, any food is better than no food. You know, I'm kind of starting to regret throwing out my bow. Oh, yes, wood. We need that for the boat. I'm just leaving now that I have the wood and a little bit of food. Yes, the boat. Okay, we can do this. And we're out of here. First day. Alright, first day, and we've already escaped the first island. That's good. I'd say that it's going pretty well so far. But now we have to worry about a lot more. We have a lot more shotgun shells. So I can certainly fend off a lot of enemies. Let's stack it. Yeah, it worked. Orange. We'll just eat my orange and look on the map for anything new. I don't know what that place is. I want to go check it out. I don't know what happened. Let me check if anything happened. I don't understand. What have I done? Hello? I don't know what that sound came from. I guess our focus should be getting to the next island again. So I guess I'll go around here and check things out. There's a lot less bushes. We're probably gonna get the agronomist thing next, so we can actually harvest more berries and have more food. Because it's looking like food is becoming less and less available. See, I'm already hungry and all I have is a bag of rice. Which really doesn't last you long in this game. I mean, heck, a bag of rice could last me a week in my life, but not here. There's no gas. Well, I'll remember where that is. Yeah, see? It's on the map. You can just save where that is and... Oh, finally, I found a knife. That's exactly what I'm looking for. It's too bad it's too late to do anything with it. God. Food. Always good. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one down. I'm just gonna keep them all at bay there. Yeah, there was something. No, usually I wouldn't light a flare, but for you guys' sake. Ow. I'll do it. What about that? Oh! There's another flare. And another flare. These friends? Who's this? Oh, that's, I forgot his name. You were ambushed and you lost your loot case? Okay, it's over there. I can get it back. Don't worry. I'll just do this. Okay, there's a car here. Go and check if this has any gas. Don't get distracted. So apparently that might be the loot case. Just taking my gun. Cars are a multi-purpose tool. We'll just bring that back. What is this place? I like it. Oh, I'll be back here later. Three landmarks. Hey, that wasn't even that hard. Wasn't even that far, either. Alright, where are these people? tell me he died. What? What do I do with the case? Guess I'll open it and see what's inside. Dang. And where's the landmines? I thought there was landmines. Well, that was depressing. Jeans, pants, rice. Oh, they're back. Yeah, I can hear them.
Check the couch.
You didn't make anything, did you? Huh? You didn't make anything out of it? No, I thought I was doing food and I remember that I would have. Get out of my ass. Y'all suck. Y'all suck. Y'all suck. Should I start? Y'all suck. I don't even know what's going back. So I was like, you can make them, but I don't know what ingredients you need. No, it's not.
Oh,
Sounds like you just followed through with half your brother. Sounded a lot like you. Traitor. I always show up. You're the traitor. No, I have plan B ready. No ingredients. Plan B was fucking 8 million calories for free.
The mac and cheese is over here. Is that what you said?
Yeah, so it's probably makes sense. So it's like.
oh my God. Why? Boat you saw on the East Coast. Yes, it's perfect. Okay.
Run it down.
No! Are you serious? Oh boy.